Hello, Mom and Dad Meet World. So today I'm going to show you how to mount the Lamicall writing phone holder. It says it'll hold a 6 to 7 inch phone. It's meant for cylindrical round bars. I looked at a couple different ones on Amazon. Be careful when you're getting a bike mount. If you're using it for a mountain bike or an e-scooter or anything of that nature, that it's not meant for like stroller handlebars, because I did do that first and had to send them back before I even opened the box because I didn't read what the description said well. So this right here is pretty cool. I actually bought one for each of my scooters and my e-bike. It's a toolless design, so that's pretty cool. So it is called the foldable, collapsible, installable phone holder. And the reason for that, the reason I wanted one was because I wanted to be able to go hands-free, throw maps up on, make sure that if I'm missing, a call or a text message, or if I'm listening to an audio, I could actually, see it right there on my handlebars. So this one has a couple different components. This is actually the phone piece, which would be the secondary or third piece we actually put in. There is the fixed mount, which I really like because it's got little thumb wheels on it. It's got the grooved connector and the ball head connector that all click together. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put this piece on. This is the fixed coupler that everything will snap together and mount into this piece on the handlebars right here. So give me a second to unmount these thumb wheels, and we'll get to rolling here. So first thing I had to do was take these all the way off. They're very smooth. They spin pretty fast, so it wasn't like super time consuming. Just make sure that you're paying attention. If you're doing this in the parking lot, say at the marina, and it ends up underneath your car or almost in the ocean, that could be bad. Hot tip, the first one I installed, almost lost in the ocean. Would have made me very sad if it was my own doing. So, you'll see that these are just spinning down. Making sure I don't drop that one. Just gonna take that apart and slide it back through here. Now I'm going to take these little plastic wing nuts, screw them right back on. I'm not going to get them super tight. I'll get them tight after I have adjusted the phone itself, so I know where I'm mounting it is where I want it. Get this to pop down in there. Sit here. As you can see, it starts to get a little tighter, bounces back and forth. You get both sides kind of even here. Overall, this has taken me probably about 2 minutes or so, legitimate real-time without a stopwatch on me. Maybe 3 if you're not super coordinated or you're just worried about dropping pieces. So it still can be moved, slid around, can be loosened up pretty easily. So there's step 1. Step 2 is to mount this piece together. So this goes over here, and this snaps into this. Now you ask, how does it hold the phone? Well, the back of this piece right here snaps into here. It all locks together. So you're like, wait, what? Yeah. See, there's an arrow here and an arrow here. It literally clicks in and locks together. So now if I set this on here, push it down into the hole and screwing that on. Now I could have done that without putting this together for you, which probably should have. Hindsight's 20/20. Would have been a little bit easier to see. I'm just going to thread this right on here, screw it on. See if I can get you guys a better angle here. And then you got to figure where you want it. Now, I slid mine further over towards the throttle. What I learned is the wing nuts got to be vertical this way with this style so that it doesn't sit behind the throttle, preventing the throttle from coming down. But I moved it over that way specifically because I wanted to be able to see my touch screen for my scooter, for my speed, and all my lights and stuff when I powered it on. So I'm going to peel this off. This folds open. and this folds up. So this side or this side, I think it's the bottom, is this way, is the bottom. So it says open. Now this is locked. When it's unlocked, it pulls open. When it's locked, it locks my phone in place. So I'm gonna grab my phone, unlock it, slide it into place, and lock it. Now I'm gonna figure out, how do I like it? Do I like it flat? Do I like it more like this? For me, I like it, just want to be able to see straight down for my scooter, which I'm gonna power on to make sure I can see my screen. And then I'm going to tighten my wing nuts at the very bottom, like I said initially. Coming down low, tightening those up. Tighten one up, then the other, so that it doesn't slide around. Now, if you're putting this on the bicycle, obviously you wouldn't have to worry about where you're putting it quite so much, but this is a tight, small scooter, and you can't move this because this is the clip to close it. So I hope we cut that, and if we don't, you should put that in the blooper reels at the end. And say my throttle still moves, yes, but the scooter's still on. So I'm gonna turn that off for safety purposes. And make sure my throttle still goes down. I can get that a little tighter. And then I'm gonna tighten the actual black knob right here behind it. And that's a lot like if you had a cell phone dash mount for your camera in your car, if you've ever installed one of those vent mounts. This is a lot like that, actually. It's very much so like that. So now I'm good and sturdy where I want it. Locked, my phone's not coming out. Unlocked, I can pull my phone right out. And that is how you install the iPhone mount for your scooter. This particular one is a Lamicall brand. It's got the instructions for it right here inside the box, inside the foam insert. And with those, there's no tools required. It's a quick start guide that comes with it, but you really shouldn't need it too much. When you're putting your scooter away, the nice thing is I can take my phone out, I can fold this down so that when I'm folding my handlebars down, it still locks without affecting anything else on my bike. So that is the assembly. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you've got another bike mount that you like to use, please share it here, let me know. This is the first one we've gotten with our scooters. I just prefer to be hands-free. Trying to use something with one hand is not really good for me. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and until next time, bye for now. Thanks for watching.